Now in this video I will be talking about the radiation hazards and the other harmful effects caused by the electronic gadgets like cell phones, tablets, laptops and everything. So all these modern day gadgets emit something called electromagnetic waves. Everything has got something called an electromagnetic field right around the device. If you take a cell phone like this, for around half a feet there is something going on called electromagnetic fields. It is inevitable and we cannot prevent that. At least by knowing what exactly it does, we can at least minimize the risk and the injuries which that cause on our system and our body. The long-term usage of these electronic gadgets has got a lot of side effects on your system, on your bones. Yes, studies have shown that it causes osteoporosis. Osteoporosis means softening of bones. People working with laptops on their laps for more than 15 years have found that their thigh bones have been softer than the other parts of the body. So that is a sign that this causes softening of your bones. Bone is only a minimal part, but actually there are so many other things which these electromagnetic fields cause, which we should be aware of, so that we can actually minimize the risk of damage which that causes to our body and brain. Research shows that direct contact cell phone usage, that means placing your cell phone over your ear and talking for more than 6 minutes, actually causes significant brain neuronal damage. In a new Finnish study, they say that there is an increased, that is 40% increase in chance of brain tumors for people using cell phones for more than 10 years. Few reports have also shown that they cause brain tumors called gliomas. So please avoid direct cell phone contact over the ear and talking. So how do we prevent it? So I think a hands-free device, we all have various forms of hands-free devices. See, when you use a hands-free device, you make sure you keep your phone a little away and then use your hands-free device. See, as you can clearly see that when you use it like this, there is a distance. There is a significant amount of distance between your device and your ear and your brain. So that actually reduces the damage which that can cause on your brain. Another important information when it comes to cell phone usage, a lot of people say that when you have less battery on your cell phone, it emits higher radiation. No, that is actually wrong. Please have this in your mind. When your signal bars in your cell phone, signal bars is nothing but the reception bars which show how much reception you have, cell phone receptivity you have. When that is low, actually the device emits more microwaves to attract more signals. So that is actually a little harmful. So when the signal bars are a little less, keep your phone a little away from you, as it can reduce the damage on your system. A prevention tip for laptop users: please don't keep your laptop on your thighs for more than 5 to 10 minutes, as there is constant, actually laptop emits 4 to 5 times more electromagnetic fields than a cell phone. So please place it on a table or anything which is a little away from you, at least if not a table, some form of a higher platform where you can stay a little away from the laptop and work on the system. Hope you find this video informative. Please use your electronic devices a little wisely and prevent all these problems, and have a healthy life. For more information, visit our website strengthindiamovement.com. Watch our weekly videos, follow us on Facebook, subscribe for our YouTube channel, and make the most of the knowledge what we are trying to share.